Hey, what's going on, guys? A couple of weeks ago, I got a message from a guy who's an illustration artist who had put together a silkscreen poster, Gundam illustration that was really cool, and he wanted to send me one just as a gift. So I finally got that today, and I was planning on just taking a picture or something and just sharing it on my Facebook page, and then maybe just putting up as like a post on YouTube just as a photo. But when I saw how awesome these posters look, I thought I have to actually record a video and show you guys just more closely how awesome these posters are. So I'll show you the posters in a minute. He did also send a couple of stickers though as well. So here, let me show you guys these. So we got the Gundam head here for this sticker, and then we got a Char Zaku head as well. So these are really awesome. Don't know where I'm going to stick these quite yet. And before I get into the posters, here's his business card as well. The artwork on his business card is super cool. I love the 2001 style artwork on there. But here's his contact information. It's Robert Wilson, and he's on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. There you can check out his artwork there. Really cool artwork. A lot of like comic book stuff. It's not all Gundam stuff. It seems like he's just gotten into doing some Gundam illustration kind of more recently, but there's a lot of comic book things and other just kind of nerd pop culture kind of stuff there on his site you can check out. And it says that he does commissions as well. I'm not sure if he's selling the stickers of the posters. I haven't seen anything about that, but I think if you get in touch with him and you want one, you might be able to buy one or something from him. So just get in touch. But without further ado, let's get a look at these posters. I'll bring the camera up a little bit higher because it's going to be kind of hard to show you guys the whole thing all in one go. But here is the Gundam, and you can see the image on his Instagram if you want to see just what the image is more clearly. Again, it's been rolled up, so I need to lay it out to get the curl out of it, but really cool. And I want to show you that more closely in a minute, but I'll show you the other poster as well. It's the same thing, but it's just in black and white. So here's that black and white version, also very cool. So I want to show you like in close detail as well, just because the print quality is so good as well. And on the black and white one, it's just, I mean, the quality is really good. You can see it there in black and white, but it's even more apparent on the color version because it's using like gold. It's like kind of like a shiny gold for the yellow, and the gray bits and like this edges here is like silver. So it's going to be kind of hard to show you guys this in the light if it's like catching the light right, but it's printed in silver and all the yellow is all like in a kind of shiny metallic gold. So I'm trying to show this as best I can on camera, but it doesn't seem like it's really showing up all that well on camera. But it looks really, really cool in person when you can see this. If you got this like put it in a nice frame and up on the wall, it's gonna look really, really cool. Just the colors on it are really nice, and just aside from the ink quality and the print quality, I'm really, really impressed. And even aside from the ink, just the paper quality as well. It's a really nice thick paper as well. So really top-notch posters. Rob, thank you so much for sending these to me. Really, really awesome posters. So again, if you guys are interested in checking this out, checking out some of the other stuff that he's got on there, check out his Instagram, Twitter, Facebook pages, and check him out there. And if you're interested in getting any commissions or anything, talk to him there. I'm thinking I might have to try to get together with him to do some artwork, maybe for some t-shirts as well. I don't know if it would necessarily be this particular illustration. If you guys would like to see this one on a t-shirt, let me know, or maybe we'll work on something else on a new design or something for a t-shirt. So check out his page, check out his art style, and if you guys have any good ideas for some kind of idea for a t-shirt design for him to work on, then maybe let me know, and I'll talk with him about that, and we'll try to maybe work something out. So I'll let you guys know more about that in the future if anything comes of that. But for the time being, just thank you guys for watching the video, checking out this cool Gundam artwork, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. See you next time.